everyone, today's topic is no confidence motion against the Vice President. In December 2024, this was submitted against the Rajya Sabha chairman, that is the Vice President. This was the first action of its kind in the Indian Parliament. Thus, it is important for Prelims 2025. In Article 67, the framework for the removing of Vice President from the office is given, and it says that there is no formal impeachment process. Now, the grounds of removal are not defined in Constitution but left to the discretion of members. The 14-day notice is mandatory to be submitted to the Vice President, and the parliamentarians' intentions and their reasons for this resolution should be clearly defined in the resolution before it is passed. Now, the resolution can only be initiated in Rajya Sabha. Voting for the resolution happens with effective majority, that is, majority of all the then members of the House, and this should also be agreed by Lok Sabha. Let us solve a question. With reference to Vice President of India, consider the following statements. The office of Indian Vice President is modeled on the lines of the office of Canadian Vice President. This is wrong. It's American. A motion of the removal of Vice President can only be introduced in Rajya Sabha. This is true. The open ballot system is followed in the election of Vice President. This is wrong. It is secret ballot. The question asks for incorrect. Thus, only 2 is the answer. Thank you.